What is up, YouTube? It's your boy King Shine / RJE Gaming with another video. And today I'm gonna be doing a Subway Surfers video. So yeah, the limit I'm gonna try to go to is 700 to 600. Yeah, so the limit that we going to is 600 to 700. I know that's not a lot, but we do challenges for Subway Surfers every single day. So we gonna go small, then we gonna go bigger and bigger and bigger every single time. So yeah, today we gonna do 600 through 700. Tomorrow we probably gonna do 800 through 900. Then the day after, then the next day after that, we gonna do 1000 through 1100. So hey, we're just doing big things out here, trying to get my channel noticeable, get some subs. So yeah, not a lot of people do YouTube gaming channels on their phones, but personally me, I do. And like I said, I have another channel that you can go subscribe to. It's G Cool Kid 2239, and there is no space between kid and 2239. So yeah. And once again, G Cool Kid 2239. That is my gaming channel on my PlayStation, and this is my gaming channel. And like, I do vlogs some days, and I do like challenges and stuff like that. So yeah, it's this channel is more like just a backup channel. So I'm gonna be using this channel even more often, and I'm going for 10 subscribers in the next 2 weeks. Let's have this challenge. This is the challenge. We're going to try to get at least 15 subscribers in the next 2 weeks, okay? So I will put that in the link below at the end of the video. So, or I might put it as the title. So yeah, I'm hoping that we can get to at least 50 subscribers by the end of the month. Well, by February, I should say. Come on, guys, we almost at 600, guys. We have 600! And we've passed the challenge of the day. So, let's see how far we can go before we die. So, let's go. Let's see how far we can get, guys, before we die. It would be amazing if we get to 1,000, maybe even 900. Well, that does it for the end of this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment, smack that like button, subscribe if you're new. And this is King Shine, and I'm out.